Hello, my name is Jamal Moubarak, and this is my application pitch video for APD1 Week 1. Okay, let's start off. The application that I decided to create is called Temp. Okay, and it's pretty much it's an employee time clock, so time for employee time. That's where I came up with the name. I wanted something kind of quick, flashy. Temp is just a quick name, all that good stuff. So we'll go ahead, and you can see I have a logo here. This is actually like a blurred time card in the back with the name, the logo there. So you open it up and you can see the blurred time clock has the logo, a little drop shadow on there. It'll go ahead and load up. This application has a lot of static information. You can see 753, 753. This is going to be my status bar where it says ready for pin. Right now I just have static information entered in there, which I will go ahead and set to where if we're already clocked in, it'll say in red, reminder to clock out. If we're clocked out, it'll show in green, reminder to clock in. So that's the status information that I'm going to pass into there. So here's the app. Go ahead and hit the clock in button, and it automatically makes this active, so it brings up the keyboard. I wanted the keyboard to automatically be open on that, so you could go ahead and type in a pin. If you want, you can hit cancel, it comes right back, but you go clock in 1 2 3 4, clock in, you have successfully clocked in, and you could close that message. So what you could do is you could come over here, clock out 1 2 3 4, go ahead and hit clock out. You've successfully clocked out. On both of these alerts, one thing that I do want to do is I want to go ahead and I wanted to add in the user's name. So Jamal Moubarak, you have successfully clocked out. So just so you know that you're the user based on your PIN. So I definitely want to get that going. Here you could go ahead and view time card, and this is the time card, and it populates the name right there of the actual user, and it gives you your clock in and clock out dates. You could hit done, or you could go in and you can share. So you just hit the share button right up there, and it will, I don't know why it was taking so long, depending on what type of device that you're on. Right now I'm on the simulator. On a phone, it will actually give you the option to for AirPlay. It will give you the option to send as a message, and so on and so forth. You could save the image, you could do whatever you want, but you could go ahead and hit mail, and you could send it to your boss, so on and so forth. You can see time card pops up. This is nowhere close to done yet, but just got a lot of static information. Down here is the employee directory, so you could get a hold of your other employees. You could see a lot of my employees are celebrities, which is kind of nice. You could just done, go out. You could select that. Gives you the user information. Jamal Moubarak, position, I'm the owner of the company. It might say installer, sales, office, something like that. Here you have the phone and the email. So with the phone, you can see the phone and the email are blue. That is because both of those are you can actually click on it, and you can see you could call right from here, add to contacts. Same with email, you could go right here and you could create a message. So it automatically picks up what type of text is in there, if you phone number, email, so on and so forth. So we could go ahead and just hit done, and that's that. So I could kind of just give you a rundown real quick of my storyboard here, and then let's get, sorry, I'm making a mess, can't see me anymore. Let's open me back up here. We'll open this up and go into my design document, and you could see right here we have some of the stuff that I want to add is my every single time an employee clocks in, I wanted to add the GPS coordinate of their phone at that moment. And the reasoning for that is so an employee can't say that he can't clock in from home, pretty much. And it'll include the clock in and clock out date, show their position, and their name. And then the user, I want to be able to add the, or I'm going to use an XML document to gather all of the information, so it'll all be live, so I don't have to send something to the Apple Store every time I want to update. All I have to do is update the XML document with a new employee or new information, something like that. So I'll add the pin will be in there. So we'll be pulling all the information from that document. I doubt I'm going to get it done for this course, but I do definitely want to be able to dynamically, directly from the app, add the information or add employees or view punches. So we would save all the punches onto a server, something like that. I doubt I'm going to get that part done for this app this month, but I definitely do want to do that in the future. And pretty much we could see my application flow right in here. It shows step by step. So that's pretty much my temp app. I've had fun making it, and pretty much that's about it. So I will see you next week. Thank you. Bye.